Hey guys, welcome to the ninth video of the playlist on how to use SolidWorks for beginners. We are learning on how to sketch in SolidWorks, so let us continue with that. In the previous videos, we have already understood these commands and the link of the playlist is given in the description box below, or you can simply click on the I button which is present on the right top corner of your screen. In this video, I am going to explain you all the trim entities with the help of the pre-sketched figure. I have already sketched this so that our time doesn't get wasted here. Now, if I select on trim entities, then you can see that there are various options available. There is a power trim, there is corner, there is trim away inside, and there is trim away outside, and trim to closest. So first of all, let us understand the trim away inside. So in this, what you do is that you first select two sketches. So first I will select this horizontal line. Then I will select this horizontal line. Now, can you see this vertical line is connecting both these horizontal lines? Okay, this vertical line is passing through both the horizontal lines. Now, if I select this vertical line, then what is going to happen is that the part of the vertical line which is present between the two horizontal lines will be trimmed. So let us see. See this much part which was between the horizontal lines has now got trimmed. Let me do Ctrl Z and then you can get to see that, see, this much part which was between the two horizontal lines has got trimmed. Similarly, again, I will again select trim entities. Let me take one more example, trim away inside. And now in this, suppose if I select this line and suppose if I select this line. Now between these two lines, can you see that there is a line passing through both of them? Now if I select this line, then this much part starting from this point up to this point is going to get trimmed. Why? Because it is between the both two lines. Okay, so if I select this, can you see now what has happened? Now similarly, let me do Ctrl Z here. Similarly, if I select trim entities and see if I select trim away inside, and even if I select at this point, I am actually selecting a line. So even if I select here, first of all, I have to select the two lines. Okay, and even if I select here, now guys, can you see? Then also the part which was between the two selected lines has got trimmed away. Okay, so this is how I hope that you have understood how to use the trim away inside command. Okay, so let me do Ctrl Z here. Okay, now after understanding trim away inside, now let us understand the trim away outside. Now in this, again you have to first select two entities. Okay, so let me select this entity and this entity. Okay, now in this, if I select this vertical line, then the part of the vertical line which is outside the region between these two horizontal lines is going to get trimmed away. See, the part of the vertical line which is outside the region between the two horizontal lines is going to get trimmed away. See, if I select the vertical line, see, the outside part between the two horizontal lines has got trimmed away. Can you see? Let me do Ctrl Z so that you can see now. See, this part which was outside got trimmed away, and this part which was outside this horizontal line got trimmed away. So let me help you all to understand one more example. Okay, so again trim away entities. Now in this I will again choose trim away outside. Okay, then I will select this line. I will again select this line. Okay, and now if I select this line, then which part is going to get trimmed? Obviously this part, this much part of the line is going to get trimmed because it is outside the region between two selected lines. So if I select this, see, the outside part got trimmed away. Okay, so this was trim away outside command. Let me do Ctrl Z here. Now after understanding two commands, now let us understand the corner command. Now this is going to be very interesting. Now in this command, what happens is that you select two entities. Okay, you select two entities, and after those two entities meet, after the point of intersection, the rest of the part is going to get trimmed away. For example, if I select this line and if I select this line, then yeah, as you can see that both of them are intersecting at this point. Okay, since they're intersecting at this point, then the part of those lines after this point is going to get trimmed away. Let me show you all. See, I select this point and I select this point. Can you see that that part which was ahead of this intersection has got trimmed away? Okay, let me do Ctrl Z. Let me show you one more example. Corner, I will select this line and I will select this line. Now they both were intersecting at this point, therefore the region after the intersection has got trimmed away. Okay, let me do Ctrl Z. Now guys, there is one more exciting thing. Let me show you. This example is very interesting. Corner, I will select this line and now I am going to select this line. Can you see that this horizontal line and this vertical line, they are not intersecting, although I am going to select this vertical line, and now see what happens. See, now it has, SolidWorks has made an intersection for us, and the line, this vertical line which was present after the intersection has got deleted or trimmed away. Can you see? See, after the intersection, after this point of intersection, this much portion of line which was present got trimmed away. So guys, I hope that you have understood the corner command as well. Now let us understand the trim to closest. Now if you select the trim to closest and if you select any entity, suppose if I select this entity, now this entity is first intersecting on the left. Can you see? On the right it is not intersecting with anyone, but on the left it is intersecting at this point. Therefore, from the leftmost point till this point, the entity is going to get trimmed away. See, can you see? Let me explain it with another example. Ctrl Z. Suppose if I choose this line, okay? Now can you see on the leftmost point it is intersecting at this point, and on the rightmost side it is intersecting at this point. So starting from this point up to this point, the line is going to get trimmed away. Can you see? From the first intersection on the left to the first intersection on the right. Okay, I have not selected the option trim to closest. See, this much point, this much line has got trimmed away. Okay, let me do Ctrl Z. Now if I select again trim entities, trim to closest. Now if I select this point, then on the top it is first intersecting at this point, and on the bottom it is first intersecting at this point. Therefore when I select this, see, this much portion has got trimmed away. Okay, Ctrl Z. Okay, now I hope that you have understood, but still I will want to explain one more trim to closest example. Suppose if I select, click here. Now when I click here, can you see on the rightmost side there is no intersection taking place. So the trim is going to start from this point itself, and it is going to go up to the leftmost point where the first intersection takes place. Okay, so select it. Okay, I trim the midpoint. Okay, there was the relation and I want to delete that relation, midpoint relation. Okay, and can you see it is now got trimmed away. Ctrl Z. Now the very interesting one is the power trim, sorry, my bad guys, power trim, which you will be using most of the times in most of the cases. Okay, between all these options, the power trim option is the one which I personally use 99% of the times. Okay, so I will select on power trim. Okay, now this is a very simple one. Now what you do is that you just simply press left click your mouse, hold the left click and drag over everything that you want to trim. Can you see? Let me show you all again. Ctrl Z. Okay, trim entities, power trim. Now I will just left click on the mouse. I want to delete this. 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 See, it is as simple as that. You simply trim the entity that you want. Okay, Ctrl Z. Now if you drop down this menu, can you see that there is extend entities option? Now again, this is a very important option, because can you see that this line is now not intersecting with this line. But if you extend this entity, Okay, now can you see that the line has now got extended? Similarly, this entity is not intersecting with this vertical line. This horizontal line is not what intersecting here. So if I select this, see, it has just got extended and now it is intersecting. So up to the extension, it is going to get extended. So guys, I hope that you have understood the trim entities option, in which there are different options available, the power trim and all. And after that, you have also understood the extend entities option. So guys, I hope you like this video, and if you like this video, then please don't forget to subscribe to the channel and go check out the channel where I uploaded SolidWorks video. They might be helpful for you. And thank you for watching this video.